Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the peanut butter brownie. So I'm starting with my ice and water, and I'm going to do about 20 ounces of ice and water combined. I'm adding Dutch chocolate, 1 scoop, and then 1 scoop of pralines and cream, 2 scoops of peanut cookie protein powder. I'm adding some PB Fit, some cheesecake pudding mix, some salt, and I'm going to blend it. I'm going to smear some peanut butter on the cup. Add some graham cracker to the bottom. Then I'm going to pour my shake in and top it with some whipped cream and some sugar-free caramel. And then some more crushed up graham cracker. And that's it. That's how you make the peanut butter brownie shake. Thanks for watching.